Okay, so let's try this example. A coil has an inlet temperature of 60 Fahrenheit and an outer of 90. If the temperature of the coil is at 100 Fahrenheit, find the bypass factor of the coil. Okay? From the word bypass, alam natin imagine this, no? Sa isang air conditioning unit, may tinatawag tayong mga fins, mga coils. So, as much as possible, dapat dadaan o dadampi dun yung hangin para may heat transfer na mangyari, no? Pero of course, meron pa rin mga lulusot o magbabypass. Okay? So in short, this is losses, no? Tinatanong lang bypass factor. Para lang tong efficiency, output over input. Outlet over inlet. Temperature outlet over inlet, parehas mo lang ibabawas sa temperature ng coil. Mean temperature ng coil, no? Direct sub lang naman to. So let's substitute lang. Try natin. Okay? That is 110 minus 90 over 110 minus 60. Okay? Equals natin. So that is 0.4. Meron tayong mga losses, nakalusot na hangin, no? 0.4. Siyempre may counterpart ang bypass. Yung mga dumampi o tumama, yun ang tinatawag na contact factor. That is laging bypass plus contact is equal to 1. So, 0.6 po yung ating contact factor. Okay? Sige. Okay, so let's try this one. No? Determine the quantity of water lost by bleed off if the water flow rate of the tower, cooling tower, is 30 GPM, gallons per minute, and the range is 10 Fahrenheit. Percent bleed off required is 33%. Okay? Bleed off. Okay? So, sa mga percent bleed off natin, meron po tayong empirical formula na galing sa mga mechanical engineering handbook. Okay? Journals. Okay? So, ito po yung ating equation. The volume of the bleed off should be percent bleed off. Okay? Times 0.1% of the change in temperature, which happens to be the range, times the volume flow rate of the water. Empirical po yan. No? So, lagay lang natin. Percent bleed off is 0.33%. Na yan, decimal. Then, 0.001 is 0.1%. Times 10 is your change in temperature. And your volume flow rate of the water is at 30 GPM. So, makukuha po natin dito, pag pinindot sa calcu, ay 0.099 gallons per minute. Yan po ang ating bleed off volume flow rate. Okay? Sige pa.